Today we got the Toxic Double Down. It's the first 2 into 2 on both sides of the bike. This one is wrapped with black ceramic coating. There's room for the oil plug on this side. This pipe will not fit a muscle because of that oil plug situation. It's got a sound like nothing else. We're going to do a little different video here today with the doing a little run on it, and you guys can get to hear it. Alright, now we've got the Flow 9 baffles in. You can take a listen to that.